McKinsey and the World Economic Forum report that 71% of IIoT, or Industry 4.0 firms, are stuck in pilot purgatory. And the reason's clear. The incremental value being generated by these pilots is less than their incremental costs. Hi, I'm your instructor, Bruce Sinclair. This training program not only comes from my experience as the CEO of an IoT platform company, and later as an IoT consultant, but also comes from the hundreds of interviews I've had with other IoT thought leaders for my podcasts and video shows. This is literally the playbook I use with my current consulting clients worth tens of thousands of dollars. The Iot-Inc Certified IoT Professional, or ICIP, training program consists of 3 courses: ICIP Technology, ICIP Business, and ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation. In the IoT Strategy and Digital Transformation course, I cover strategy, competition, digital transformation, the 360-degree requirement process, and how to get started. Outcomes are the key, and they will change business everywhere. They are developed by the IoT platform and ecosystem. The IoT platform is the technical underpinning that orchestrates multiple products to work together to provide the outcome the customer wants. The IoT ecosystem brings together the producers and the consumers of the IoT technology in order to monetize it. When defining your IoT strategy, use outcomes as your compass. Join me in the ICIP online training program to become a certified IoT professional with new IoT skills to help your company and your career. After finishing this program, you will understand IoT and how to profit from it, being able to develop a strategy that moves your IoT pilot straight out of purgatory.